technology's become more than just something that can assist us. It's become an indispensable part of who we are. It's given us new ways to express our hopes and dreams, and powerful tools to make them a reality. As crazy as it sounds, technology makes us more human. Because simply put, it makes us more us. Today, technology and life don't merely complement each other. They're one and the same. And that's a good thing. But it has one very big consequence. When tech goes down, life goes down. We're not just failing to connect with the internet or missing a mobile device. We're missing out on life. But with dozens of platforms, thousands of devices, and millions of things that can go wrong, what could possibly prevent tech from going down, or fix it fast when it does? It takes something miraculous. A beautiful system powered by 14,000 people working in perfect unison to overcome real-life obstacles in real time. A system that speaks 6 languages with dedicated call centers in the countries and communities they serve. A system that works across any device, any platform, and any provider. Big enough to power 290 million customers worldwide, yet soulful enough to treat them each as individuals. Protecting their phones, safeguarding their data, and helping them navigate the ever more complex web-enabled home. A system where the help comes from living, breathing human beings and an incredibly intuitive, easy-to-use digital self-help experience. There's only one system like this on Earth. It took 20 years to build, and it has never stopped evolving. It keeps life up and running.